Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see your Facebook password. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, as you can see here, under Facebook, we can't see our password. Okay, just gonna show you, as you can see. Workaround for that is that you're gonna want to go ahead and go to your settings app. All right, settings, and here, go ahead and find password manager. If you don't have a password manager, you can go ahead and tap on Google. All right. Just tap on it, wait for it to open. And here, tap on your profile, manage your Google account, go to security, and go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find password manager. Okay. Tap on manage password. Just go ahead and tap on Facebook and it will show you your password. Another option is by going to any browser on your phone. All right. For example, Brave right here. Now go ahead and tap on three dots. Tap on settings. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find password manager. All right. As you can see here, it says Brave password manager. Yours might be different. Just go ahead and find password manager. Tap on it. And here, if you can see Facebook, just tap on Facebook. And here will be your password. Just tap on the C icon right here to see it, or copy if you want to copy it and save it to a safe place. Just go ahead and do so. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.